Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Shumuriel if this is your first time here. In today's video, as you can see by the title, I am doing a full face of makeup using black owned brands, and it's only right, it's Black History Month, so duh. And yeah, I hope you enjoy the look. It's easy to follow along with, affordable products. Maybe I put you onto something new, some new brands you haven't heard of. I don't know. Let me know. So yes, thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. Bye. All right. Some of this stuff is a first impressions for me. So let's just go ahead and get into it. I've only used this one, maybe twice. This is the Yummy Skin Glow Serum by Danessa Myricks. So this is a hydrating primer face serum, which my skin needs all the hydration it can get. If you've been watching my vlogs, then you know that I am on Accutane, tretinoin, whatever you want to call it, and my skin is dry, but it's looking much better. So if that's the price to pay, then I will pay it. So we're just going to get that into the skin. While I'm doing this, let me read and make sure it's not telling me to do anything. This is in the shade Main Squeeze. I didn't know they came in shades, but okay. No, it doesn't say to do anything. So I'm just pushing it up and in. I'm gonna go in with one of Danessa's brushes. This is the Yummy Face 1.0. Let me get this together and I'll be right back. We got it out the packaging, and now we're gonna go in with the Yummy Skin Serum Tint by Danessa Myricks. I got the shade 10, and we're gonna cross our fingers and hope for the best. You know, the trash in here. Okay, so do you shake it first? Sure. So yes, I got the shade 10, and we're gonna cross our fingers and hope for the best. I feel like I just said that. And let's see what this is like on hyperpigmentation, because typically skin tints don't. Wait, is this what? It's a skin tint, right? Yeah, typically it just looks really glowy right now. Skin tints don't typically have a lot of pigment, so I'm kind of curious as to how it could work on skin with scars and hyperpigmentation. Okay, I was a little scared when I first put it on, but I think we're good with this shade. It just looks, I don't know, maybe it doesn't look the way it looks in person, but I was internally, ah! It looks a little yellow on me, but again, it could just be, I don't know if it's picking up on camera. So let me, but it doesn't look bad. And I honestly think I'd rather be yellow than orange. A little more burnt, less Ernie, I think. I forget which one's which color, but I think I said it right. Yeah, Bert's the yellow one. Okay, we might be good. But yes, skin tints I think are good for people who don't typically wear a lot of makeup. You don't want to wear a foundation, but you want to have a little something. Skin tints could be good for you. But as you can see, I have hyperpigmentation, so I need to, well, I want to have a little more coverage. So yeah, as you can see, you can still see some of the scarring picking up here. But it did apply very well. Okay, so this is something I would gravitate towards when I can get the scarring under control. Let's see, so now I'm gonna bust out my Juvia's Place. My camera's giving me something on the screen. I have no idea what it means, but we're gonna keep going. as long as it's still recording. I'm going in with my Juvia's Place. This is in the shade Grenada. I can never remember if I am Grenada or if I am Dominicana. I'm a combination of the two. So hopefully these will play well together. Okay, I like the way Dominicana looks on me currently. So I'm just gonna use that to cover up my scars. And we're gonna blend. But this is also black owned. Y'all know Juvia's Place. Okay, I'll be back. It's looking a little bit better. Again, the dry skin is really problematic right now. But this is how we are so far. Now we are going to set this. I do not have a black owned setting powder, but I do have a POC setting powder. This is Huda Beauty. So let me go ahead and set and I'll be back. So now we are going to do a combination of setting the powder and brushing away the powder. I'm using the Juvia's Place. I'm in the shade Cameroon. So that's why I call it a combination of brushing away. I don't use a lot of loose powder. I don't bake. I don't know that I ever have, but it doesn't matter. All right, went ahead and did the brows off camera. You already know why. And now we are going to go in on the eyes. I am using the Mented Everyday Eyeshadow Palette. This is a fan favorite over here. I have 0 brushes within my reach, so let me do something about that and I'll be right back. I always like to start with the transition shade. I think I'm gonna do a combination of this one and this one with a fluffy expression. And just going back and forth. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to use a finishing spray. A setting spray. Give me a second. Real quick interlude from the eyes to set this, because I totally forgot to do that. This is the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Liquid Blurring Balm. I'll let that do what it does. All right, now we're gonna take this shade here and put that in the outer corner. Take a little bit lower lash line. Close it up straight, good God. Okay, as much as it tempts me to use this shade, I'm gonna go with this one all over the lid. Eyeliner, Juvia's Place. This is in the shade Noir. It's a felt tip. There we go. I forgot blush. This is Mented and Peach for the Stars. I couldn't find a different brush. This is more so a powder brush, but we'll make it work. Okay, we'll do a little bit of highlighter. This is by Juvia's Place. It's this. Okay, go down the nose, do a little here and a little there. Lashes. I am very excited to try this. It's the Pat McGrath Black Extreme Black Dark Star Mascara. Let's see what Miss Pat's talking about. Oh, girl, hold on. Who are you feeling like? Calm down. Ooh. So this is with the mascara. This is without. I'm sure you can tell a difference. I like the brush size. Okay. This is the Lip Bar in Straight Talk. Forgetting all about Fenty Beauty. I'm just gonna take this cream gloss. This is in the shade Fruit Snacks. Ta-da! Let me get myself together and we'll be back.